The second top we made is the one you see on the right, spinning there, denoted the second generation by the 2 lines around the base. This top is a little bit smaller than the first one, about 1 inch in diameter, and we used a radius tool to create that sloping effect on the metal between the stem and the base. I think it looks pretty good, and it spins pretty well too. So here's some footage of us milling it out of a brass stock rod.
Kinetics of it or something.
Looking good.
Give me a time check.
What does it say? I didn't get to see it.
5 minutes to 12.
Okay. Yeah, I was looking through the camera and it got a glare.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah.
What grain sandpaper is
I
it?
can't tell. It doesn't. This is
220.
Is it 220? I mean, this is something different here. I mean, I've never seen that brand. I'm used to Norton, one of those deals.
I'll probably look around. I got some finer stuff.
Well, I don't know that you need it, but I'm
How
just.
about 2 grooves on this one?
Yeah, let's go for it. Is there enough width for 2 grooves?
Oh heck yeah! That is just beautiful. It's beautiful. Now let me tell you what you can do here. It's just coming to me now. You can either brush it on or spray on a color around that circumference, right? And then take it in your hand and go like it was sandpaper.
Right.
And the color, if it were red, would stay in the grooves, but not on the brass.
Is it spinning true?
See, that's a different top, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm not even sure I can spin the damn thing. Tell you one thing, you knock them out of balance, it's going to change everything. Not that you're going to do that, but
They look good. The little one's spinning amazing.
is it spinning?
It's spinning.